In this video, I'll show you how to log into Facebook on your phone step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, go to the App Store on your phone, search for Facebook, install it, and then open the app. Once the app opens, you will see the login screen. Here you need to enter the email address or mobile number that is connected to your Facebook account. Tap on the first field and type your email or phone number carefully. Next, tap on the password field and enter your account password. Make sure the password is typed correctly because it is case sensitive. After entering your login details, tap the Login button. Facebook will then verify your information and open your account. If your details are correct, you will be taken directly to your home feed where you can see posts from friends and pages you follow. If you forgot your password, tap the Forgotten Password option and follow the instructions to reset it using your email or phone number. Once you log in successfully, you can start browsing your feed, posting updates, and connecting with friends. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.